friends, how are you? I hope you are doing good. So today's topic is we are gonna draw a cute apple. But before that, if you haven't watched my videos, do watch my videos and let me know in comment section if you liked it or not. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get quickly started. So we are gonna draw a cute apple today with the ant. So firstly we are gonna draw an apple. Yeah, so once this is done, we are gonna draw a ant. So here we need to leave a small space between the apple. Yeah, once this is done, we are gonna draw a eye and cute face. After this, we are gonna draw this and a leaf. Okay, after that let's just quickly color the ant. So let's do that. After that I'm taking a pink color, and as of now we have colored our ant. After that I'm taking a red color. I'm gonna do a mark here and let's get started and color. So एक ही stroke में color करना है so that it looks good. Firstly we are gonna do a small outline so that colors don't go out, and then we are gonna color the apple with the red color. Yeah, so once this is done, let's take a green color and color the leaf. After coloring the leaf, I am taking a green sketch pen and we are going to draw a grass. So same way I'm gonna do here. So once this is done, I'm gonna take a yellow color and I'm gonna draw a sun. So basically we are trying to complete our drawing. So I'm going to take the orange color now and we are going to complete So once this is done, after that I'm going to take a dark green color and we are going to color the sleeves. So this is completed. We are gonna do this and our drawing is completed. I hope you like my drawing. Do let me know in comment section and don't don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye bye.